I'm already sitting cross-legged, so you can also find a cross-legged seat. Mine is like half lotus, but you can sit in Sukhasana. You made it to day 12, almost hump day. So today we're just gonna take it super slow to unwind and let go of all the work we did. So I applaud you for coming back. And inhale here. Exhale, drop to one side and just stretch the side. Keep both seating bones on the mat. And from that side you are on, you're just gonna lean forward over the knee, drop the hand, just hold the stretch here. Inhale up, drop to the other side. Lean forward over the knee. Come back up. And then open the legs, or open the right leg, keep the left leg in. Turn your upper body towards the right leg, lift the arms, and then come into a stretch here. Release, switch the legs, turn towards the left leg, come up with your arms and hinge forward. Release. Now swing the legs back and roll onto your belly. This is a stretch that I haven't done for a long time that we're gonna do next. It's a whole body stretch. So let's see. You place the right arm out to the side and the left arm supports you on the left side. So then you lift the left foot and now you turn, open, and the foot reaches to that right hand. So you feel a stretch in the shoulder, in the right shoulder. You feel a stretch in the hip. Just stay there and breathe. Come back slowly. Oh, release. Okay, bring the left arm to the side. Right hand supports here. Right foot up. Open. Bring the foot towards that hand. Open. Feel the shoulder stretch. Feel the hip stretch. The hip flexor stretch. Breathe. And slowly come back. Slowly come back. Push yourself up and back into a child pose. And then from child pose, sit back on your bum again. Now this time, you straighten the left leg and you grab the right foot with your right hand. No, wait, with your left hand. Something didn't fit. Okay, now the right arm goes up. You straighten the right leg and you open the right arm to the back. It's like a twist to the back and a stretch in the leg. And then you come together. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. And then you keep that leg long in the front and you just come forward and grab the other foot if you can. If not, you just hold the legs here. It's all good, don't worry. Release, bring the left leg in, grab it with the right hand. And the same here. Lift the left arm and then you open to the back. Straighten the left leg and you're round. Last one. Next time you'll keep the leg as long as you can and grab over into forward fold. And then slowly release, roll onto your back. Drop the knees to the right side. Well, first keep the feet hip wide apart and then drop the knees to the right side. Your arms can just remain next to your body, like open up. And now you can take the right foot and put it on the left knee, on the left leg to intensify the stretch. And your head goes to the left. Stay, breathe. Release the foot and then come to the other side with your knees. Take the left foot on the right leg and the head goes to the right side. Enjoy the stretch, breathe. Come back. Now bring the right foot on the left leg. Let the right knee fall away from you. And then you bring the left leg closer. You feel a stretch in the glutes. Just hold and breathe. And change the side. And then take this pose and swing up into a seat. Let's do your all favorite hip stretch to finish up this wonderful yoga stretch session. Now the right leg is straight, and you place the left leg on top of it so that the foot and the knee, the feet and the knees are in one line. Okay. Good. Then you turn towards the knee that's above and lean towards that knee. The goal is to be able to hug the knee and kiss it, but you can also stay here. Choose what's good for you, but try to keep the seating bones on the mat. Slowly release, change. Turn towards that knee and then lean forward. And you can do it step by step with every exhale. You can come a bit lower. Keep the seating bones on the mat. Keep breathing. With every exhale, you let go of the tension. And then slowly release. Bring the feet in front and do some windshield wipers to relax the hips. Yeah, and then you're done for today. Day 12. Was it day 12? Yeah, I think so. Day 12, check. See you tomorrow for day 13. And I'm not going to tell you what we're going to do tomorrow. It's a surprise. Get ready.